Drone Designers Exploring STEAM Careers, an enrichment program for grades 4 through 8, supports up to 30 learners. In the first box, you'll find an intro letter with a detailed unpacking list. You'll also find your digital resource license key with instructions on how to access the digital curriculum and more resources. Your Drone Designers program includes a comprehensive instructor guide and printed student pages. The instructor guide takes you step by step through the daily lessons and includes a prep section to help you get your classes going with minimal prep work. Students use their designer's notebook to brainstorm ideas and plan their drone performances just like the pros. Additionally, you'll receive the materials your learners will need to complete the activities. Paper and foam costume materials for learners to experiment like the pros, tote bags, tape, storage bins, production team lanyards to help keep student teams organized, remind them of their responsibilities, and help keep them on task, scissors, colored pencils, string, washers, child scissors, fasteners, drone motors, a scale, pencils, drone batteries and chargers, indoor drones, a LiPo battery storage bag, posters, and safety glasses. The included Co-Drone EDU indoor drones are perfect for introducing elementary and middle school learners to coding, drone flight, and safety, all within the context of performance art. Refill kits are also available that make it easy to restock supplies for your next group of drone choreographers. The only thing educators need to provide separately is 6 Chromebooks or computers with access to the Blockly for RoboLink coding website. At PCS Edventures, we're here to support educators like you throughout your STEM journey. For more information about this creative, career-focused program, visit edventures.com to download a curriculum sample or connect with a STEM program specialist.